We will continue class 12, chapter 5, exercise 5.4. In the previous video, we have understood what are the exponential functions and कैसे उनके ग्राफ बनते हैं ये हमने देखा. अब हम करते हैं exercise 5.4, class 12, exercise 5.4. Question number 1. E to the power x upon sin x. E to the power x upon sin x. This is our function y. Okay. We have to differentiate this function. So this is in the form of u upon v. कौन से वाले फॉर्म में? डिवाइड के फॉर्म में हमारा फंक्शन. तो हम कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे इसको? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल u upon v का फॉर्मूला आप जानते हैं. d by dx of u upon v is equals to v square v u dash minus u v dash. This is the formula for differentiating a function like this, which is in the form of p upon q, okay, or u upon v. Differentiating with respect to x. So what will be here? Y will be dy by dx, and here sin x whole square because of this v square. U v first sin x dy dx of e to the power x minus e to the power x d by dx of cos x sin x. So what will be the answer? Answer will be sin x e to the power x, because differentiate of e to the power x is e to the power x, okay, minus e to the power x sin x d by dx of sin x, that is cos x, upon sin x whole square. This is the answer. Very simple question. So let's consider the second question. E to the power sin inverse x. Question number 2. E to the power sin inverse x. Again, this is in the form of e to the power some function. This means first function की power में second function. अगर हम कहें कि एक तरह से composite function है ना, एक function के अंदर दूसरा function है, मतलब e to the power x की जगह sin inverse x है. तो first या तो आप चेन रूल से सॉल्व कर लीजिए इसको, या फिर हमने जो तरीका सीखा है वही सीखा है. y is equals to the power sin inverse x, differentiating with respect to x. So what will be d by dx of e to the power x, अभी हमने पढ़ा, that is dy upon dx is equals to dy dx of e to the power sin inverse x. e to the power x की तरह हम ट्रीट करेंगे इसको, तो e to the power sin inverse x will be here, and again d by dx of x, that is what? Sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. So answer will be e to the power sin inverse x upon the formula of d by dx of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So under root 1 minus x square. This is the answer. Formula are the main thing in this question. If you have done this formula, then you can easily solve this question. Okay, just take one more question, that is e to the power x to the power 3. Again, so question number 3. What is question number 3? That's e to the power x and that it raised to the power 3. The function is y. Okay. So how we can solve this question? This is the x for e. Okay. So differentiating with respect to x. x के रिस्पेक्ट में हमने डिफरेंशिएट किया, तो ये जो x की पावर 3 है, ये e to the power x की तरह ट्रीट करेगा जो x होता है e to the power में. तो कैसे होगा? dy upon dx is equals to dy dx of e to the power x cube. तो तो हमने इसको पूरा अगर x स्प्लिट करते हैं तो e टू द पावर x का e टू द पावर x फॉर्मूला होता है, सो e टू द पावर x की पावर 3 फर्स्ट थिंग, then what, d by dx of x to the power 3, d by dx of x cube, right? Then what will be the differentiate of x cube? 3x square, okay, e to the power x cube into 3x square. This is the answer. In the last, we also differentiate x, but dx upon dx is 1 only. That's why this is the answer. Right. Next question, question number 4. Question by question, complexity of the question is increasing. So let's solve question number 4. Sin tan inverse e to the power minus x. फर्स्ट थिंग, पहले सोचो बेटा, देखो जब तक आप खुद से नहीं सोचोगे तब तक क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा समझना कॉम्प्लिकेट हो जाता है। देखिए यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे साइन, बोले सर साइन को हम देखते हैं साइन थीटा की तरह, तो यानी कि साइन का ये वाला थीटा हो गया, which one? This one. This is the theta of sine. Then, okay, just consider it y and differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx will be, first is d by dx of whole function sine tan inverse e to the power minus x. Okay. So d by dx of sine tan inverse e to the power minus x. Sin x का क्या होता है? What is the formula of sin x? Cos x. Very simple. Cos. But what is the x here? The value of x is tan inverse e to the power minus x. Tan inverse e to the power minus x. Okay. Again, we will differentiate this x. So d by dx tan inverse e to the power minus x. Right. So cos tan inverse e to the power minus x. What is the d by dx of tan inverse x? Again, the theta of tan inverse is this. So first is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x, differentiate of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, right? 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus x whole square. Okay, 1 upon 1 plus x square, and the x of tan is e to the power minus x. Again we go to the e to the power minus x, d by dx of e to the power minus x. So cos theta is tan inverse e to the power minus x upon 1 plus e to the power minus 2x. You know that very well. This is e to the power minus x raised to the power 2. Then it will be minus 2x. Okay. And d by dx of e to the power minus x. What will happen here? Again, it will respond to e to the power minus x. Because differentiate of e to the power x is e to the power x only. So it will respond like same. But differentiate of minus x, then it will give minus 1. Because d by dx of x is 1 and minus will be here. So finally this is the answer. And answer will be like this, minus e to the power minus x into cos tan inverse e to the power minus x upon 1 plus e to the power minus 2x. This is the final answer. Okay, I hope you understand from question number 1 to 4.